Hey, welcome back. This is a tutorial about chapter 12, and on this one we are going to be tackling problem 5.4. So once again, this is Microeconomics. Uh, we are going to be using the 7th edition by Mr. Glenn Hubbard and Anthony Patrick O'Brien. So let me find chapter 12. And let's go to chapter summary and problems. And we are looking for problem 5.4 in page 447. Okay, so here is the problem. Is suppose an assistant professor of economics is earning a salary of $75,000 per year. That would be nice. I wish I was making that money teaching economics. Anyway, one day she quits her job, sells $100,000 worth of bonds she had been earning 3% per year, and uses the fund to open a bookstore. At the end of the year, she chose accounting profit of $80,000 in her income tax return. What is her economic profit? So this problem is about distinguishing the difference between accounting profit and economic profit. So remember, when you write your income tax to the IRS, you can deduct all the explicit costs, but you cannot deduct implicit costs. So this is about knowing the difference between explicit costs and implicit costs. For these problems, we don't need to use Excel, but I will use Excel just because I found that it's so much easier to do the problems in here. So here is my Excel once again. What I will do here is I'm gonna type here. This will be my explicit cost. Explicit cost. And for my explicit cost, I am going to have my accounting profit. And I also going to have my implicit cost. So remember, implicit cost is all the opportunity costs. That includes non-monetary opportunity costs. So I do have my accounting profit. That is the money that is being reported to the IRS. In this case, is $80,000, and is given to us by the problem. And now our implicit cost is the non-monetary opportunity cost. So reading the problem, it looks like this teacher was making $75,000 a year. So we're just gonna put in here salary, $75,000. And on top of that, it looked like she had $100,000 worth of bonds, and she was earning 3% interest a year. So we're just gonna put in here bond interest, and this is going to equals 100,000 times 0.03, which is 3%, and that comes out to $3,000. So here is our accounting profit, and this will be our economic profit. So economic profit. So our economic profit is going to equal our accounting profit minus our implicit cost, or the non-monetary opportunity cost, and this is $75,000 that she is no longer earning on interest, and the $3,000 she is no longer earning in interest for the bond. I'm sorry, the $75,000 is the money she was earning as a teacher. So she's no longer earning that, and she's also not earning the $3,000. So that's her opportunity cost or implicit cost. So that's really simple. Our answer will be $2,000.